Hi, I'm Jason Estrie with Oliver Travel Trailers, and today I'm excited to walk you through the all-new 2026 Legacy Elite 2 Platinum model. It's our most feature-rich and finely crafted trailer yet, made for travelers who want luxury, performance, and the ability to go just about anywhere in total comfort. The Platinum model is built on our exclusive 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum frame, lightweight, durable, and ready for a lifetime of adventure. We've matched that strength with the Dexter Neverlube axles, Easy Flex suspension, leaf springs, and shock absorbers, delivering a smooth, stable tow on or off the pavement. Up front, take a look at our fiberglass propane housing. Now inside you'll find dual 20-pound propane tanks with the automatic switchover. On the side of the housing, you see the 30-amp convenience power inlet here on the curb side of the camper, and that's in addition to our standard power inlet located on the street side. At the front, you'll see our 7,000-pound Bulldog coupler. Right above that, our 6061 grade aluminum front basket gives you secure, rugged storage for gear or even a generator. The Oliver is equipped with 3 electric stabilization jacks. You have 1 located in the front and 2 in the rear. Off-grid power is fully upgraded on the Platinum model. You get a 400-watt roof-mounted solar system, a 390 amp-hour lithium battery bank, and a powerful 3,000-watt inverter that can run your air conditioner, convection microwave, and every 120-volt outlet on board. And for those who want to stay off the grid even longer, you can upgrade to our Lithium Pro, which includes a 640 amp-hour battery bank, giving you the ultimate in off-grid freedom and extended power capacity. The Powered Pro curbside awning is standard, and you can upgrade to add a matching powered awning on the street side as well. All new for 2026, all Legacy Elite 2 models come standard with electric blade valves. Now, no more fighting with T-handles, but at the push of a button, you can empty both your black and gray tanks. Right above the electric blade valve switch, we have an outside shower with both hot and cold. Above that, you'll see your control switches for your rear electric jacks. And to the right, we have what we like to call our basement, which is for ample exterior storage. Here at the rear of the Oliver, you have our fiberglass spare tire cover, the bike rack receiver hitch, as well as our bumper that opens to house an additional storage space specifically for the waste hose. Also located inside the rear bumper is our rear LP Quick Connect. It's great for using with a grill or fire pit. Let's talk about one of the standout upgrades for 2026, the new bonded dual pane windows. These windows are more than just a visual enhancement. They provide improved insulation, sound reduction, and a tighter seal against dust, wind, and moisture. Each window opens from the bottom out, creating a protective overhang that allows you to let fresh air in, even during light rain. It's perfect for ventilation, without the worry of water entering the cabin. And inside, you'll find our new day and night roller shades. Sleek, quiet, and easy to operate. With one smooth motion, you can go from filtered daylight to full blackout for restful sleep. Here inside the Legacy Elite 2, we're gonna look at some of the new changes for 2026. Here in this model, you're taking a look at the sandstone leather interior, which pairs beautifully with our fiber granite countertops and the all-new accent wall in 2026, which is a slightly different wall on the bulkhead between the bathroom and the main cabin to add a little bit of warmth and modern feel. Storage is plentiful throughout. You'll find a spacious closet right as you enter, and a deep pantry for dry goods or gear, overhead cabinets above, and even an interior access door to the basement compartment, making it easy to grab items from inside without ever stepping out. The kitchen galley features an upgraded 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave that doubles as an air fryer, and a 12-volt compressor fridge that you can configure as either a full fridge or full freezer or both. Solid wood cabinetry with dovetail construction and soft closed drawers adds a handcrafted feel. We've added a new portable Bluetooth speaker system and docking station, so you can take your tunes inside or out. We've also added a new smart TV. Here at the rear, the twin beds are equipped with the USB charging, reading lights, nightstand storage, and easy access to the egress window. The Platinum model features an all-in-one climate package, air conditioner, furnace, and on-demand water heater, all controlled by one easy-to-use digital panel. Quiet, efficient, and perfect for any season. You'll have full visibility and control over your trailer systems with an integrated monitoring suite. The Sea Level 2 tank monitor gives readouts of the fresh, gray, and black water levels, plus battery charge status. Your Xantrex inverter display and Victron solar charge controller provide real-time data on power consumption and charging performance. And with the Lithionics battery monitoring app, you can check the status of your lithium battery bank directly from your smartphone, giving you total confidence in your off-grid power from anywhere at any time. The bathroom includes a standard porcelain toilet with an option to upgrade to a composting model. You also get a shower track and curtain, high-quality faucet with shower head, and a max air vent fan for ventilation. The 2026 Legacy Elite 2 Platinum model brings together rugged dependability, innovative power systems in a travel trailer that's truly built for a lifetime of adventure. Thank you for joining me today for the walkthrough of the 2026 Legacy Elite 2 Platinum model. Please make sure to join us online at olivertraveltrailers.com and schedule a visit with us at the factory, or be sure to check out our YouTube channel and see other great videos.